how much should you actually spend on a smart motorcycle helmet? It's tricky because some riders are happy with cheap options, while others swear by the pricier ones. The truth is, price doesn't always equal quality, and finding what works best for you takes a closer look. Product number 1, Break-Free Helmet Light. First up is the Break-Free Helmet Light, priced at $202.93. This gadget immediately caught my eye due to its innovative design and promise of enhanced safety. If you want to be seen clearly on the road, this is worth a serious look. It also boasts an advanced smart brake detection system that senses deceleration, whether you're braking or downshifting, and activates the lights automatically. This means other drivers are more likely to notice you, which is crucial for your safety. Plus, it's wireless, so you can install it easily on any helmet without the hassle of apps or wiring. Now, charging it is a breeze with USB-C, taking just 1.5 hours to reach full power. However, some users pointed out that the light can be a bit too bright for certain riding conditions, especially at night. Here's the thing though, as long as you're aware of your surroundings, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you often ride in low-light conditions and want that added visibility. But skip this if you prefer a more traditional helmet setup without extras. For the price, it's a solid investment in your safety on the road. Now, if the price tag of the Break-Free bothered you, the next product offers great features at a lower cost. Product number 2, Bluetooth Modular Motorcycle Helmet. Next is the Bluetooth Modular Motorcycle Helmet, which is priced at $152.19. What really caught my attention is its dual visor feature and Bluetooth integration. If seamless communication while riding is what you're after, this is definitely worth a look. This helmet is DOT approved, meaning it meets safety standards, and the modular design allows you to flip up the front for convenience. The built-in Bluetooth lets you make calls or listen to music without having to stop. Imagine cruising along hands-free, enjoying your favorite playlist or chatting with friends. This is a game changer for long rides. The dual visor design also provides excellent sun protection and visibility. However, some riders mention that the Bluetooth connectivity can be a bit spotty at times, which can be frustrating. But honestly, for the price and the convenience you get, it's a minor hiccup. This helmet is perfect for social riders who enjoy chatting with friends on the road. But if you're someone who prefers minimal tech, you might want to keep looking. For the features you get, it's a great value for the money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who value comfort and style. Product number 3, Dual Visor Bluetooth Modular Helmet. Coming in at $162.34, we have another Bluetooth modular motorcycle helmet. I was impressed by how similar it was to the last one, but with some differences that might appeal to you. If you want a balance of comfort and tech, this one's worth your attention. This helmet features dual visors as well, which means you can adjust the sun shield easily. The added benefit here is the removable and washable liner, making it easier to keep clean after those long rides. No one likes a sweaty, smelly helmet. Plus, Bluetooth connectivity is integrated, so you can stay connected while keeping your hands on the handlebars. Now, a few users mentioned that the helmet can be heavier than expected, which can lead to discomfort after a while. But here's the thing, if you're prioritizing features like Bluetooth and comfort, this shouldn't deter you too much. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, tech-friendly helmet that combines safety and comfort. But skip this if weight is a major concern for you. Overall, it's a worthy investment for those who take their riding seriously. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more tech-forward, the next product is designed with smart features that really stand out. Product number 4, Smart App Controlled Full Face Helmet. Next up, we have the Smart App Controlled Full Face Helmet priced at $164.88. What really got my attention was the ability to control it via an app. If you love tech features, this helmet deserves your attention. This helmet isn't just about looks. It meets DOT approval for safety and has a compact design that is perfect for both sport and casual riding. The Smart App Control allows you to adjust settings or get notifications while you ride, making it easier to stay connected without distractions. Lots of bikers love to have that peace of mind knowing what's going on without taking their eyes off the road. Some users did mention that syncing with the app isn't always smooth, which can be a bit annoying. But honestly, once you get it set up, the benefits outweigh the hassle. This is perfect for tech-savvy riders who want to enhance their riding experience. But skip it if you prefer a no-frills helmet. It's reasonably priced for the features it offers. If you're not into high-tech helmets, the next option is a more straightforward solution without sacrificing safety. Product number 5, Zonician Smart Full Face Helmet. Finally, we have the Zonician Smart Full Face Helmet, also priced at $164.88, which caught my eye due to its unique LED display feature. If you want a helmet that stands out for both safety and style, this one's definitely worth checking out. The advanced ventilation system ensures you stay cool during hot summer rides, while the DIY LED display allows you to customize text and patterns, giving your helmet a personal touch. You can express yourself even while riding. However, some users express that the LED feature can drain the battery quickly if used too much. Here's the thing though, if you're mindful of your battery usage, it becomes an amazing feature rather than a drawback. This is perfect for riders looking to combine style with safety and personalization. But skip this if you want a simple, no-fuss helmet. For the price point, it offers great value for a unique feature set. So there you have it. We've covered the brake-free helmet light for visibility, Bluetooth modular helmets for connectivity, and smart helmets with app controls and LED displays for personalization. Each helmet has its pros and cons, but ultimately it comes down to your specific needs as a rider. Whether you prioritize safety, tech, or style, there's definitely an option here for you.